Hello, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Hot Dog Rod here from Majo Imbiss to announce our Tequila Tuesday value meal deal. Tonight we have a giant jumbo hot dog at 69 pesos and Tequila Shots at 69 pesos. Now that's a great deal, amigo. See you there.
Vagabond Agavito here to set the record straight. Tequila does not come from cacti. That's right, amigos. We're not the ones responsible for making tequila. The agave plant is the real star of the show when it comes to this iconic Mexican spirit. Hello, Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Pedro here from Majo Imbiss to announce our Tequila Tuesday value meal deal. Tonight we have a giant jumbo hot dog at 69 pesos and Tequila Shots at 69 pesos. Now that's a great deal, amigo.
From the fields so green they rise, blue agave touching skies. Through the years we hear the tales. Vagabond wing-line guy takes the shot. Tequila's magic never fails. Celebs, they hold their glasses high in the spotlight, teardrop eye. Nightclubs pulse and celebrations.